A major crackdown by the Election Commission against the BJP posters in Patna. That's the news that we are getting in. So we are getting visuals of posters of the Prime Minister that were seen, as you can see on your screens, being ripped off from Patna airport. Labourers, in fact, have been deployed all along the route to the airport to remove these posters. The removal is on the directions of the Election Commission. Okay, let's go straight now to Ashar for more on this. Ashar, I remember the Grand Alliance had petitioned the Election Commission seeking a ban on, the Prime Minister's election rallies, especially on polling days. Is it, in response to that we are seeing his posters being ripped off?
Well, there have been several complaints which have been made by the Mahagathbandhan people to the Election Commission, this also being one of them. This was basically what the Mahagathbandhan was saying is that there are posters which are lined up as you enter the airport and the city, and these need to be taken off. And Election Commission saw merit in that, and that is why it has directed the Airport Authority of India to take down those posters. And as you can see on your screen, those posters of the BJP and of the LJP being taken off there at the airport in Patna.
All right, Ashar, just stay with me. We're getting in a reaction. Just let's listen into one of the workers I am getting to hear who was instructed to remove these posters.
पता नहीं हमको इसके हम अथॉरिटी के अंदर काम करते हैं, हमको ऑर्डर मिला है
एयरपोर्ट मतलब एयरपोर्ट ऑफिसर
हाँ डीएम
अच्छा
पटना डीएम एसएसपी की तरफ से ऑर्डर
ये हटाया जाता है
सभी बैनर को एयरपोर्ट से जितनी भी पार्टियां
कोई भी पार्टी
Ashar, if I'm not mistaken, on Monday, the 11th of October, when Bihar went to polling, it was the first phase of polling, the Prime Minister did address a rally in Bhabua. Isn't campaigning during the polls a clear violation of the Model Code of Conduct?
Well, campaigning during polls is a violation of the Model Code of Conduct, but the entire concept of a five-phase election has been that if there is polling going on in certain districts, you can always go and campaign in the other districts. So technically, the Prime Minister was on the right. That is why there was no action which was taken by the Election Commission. So that is in response to that case. But while here, what the Election Commission believes is that at the airport there should be no political posters, and that is why these political posters are being taken off. And as it so happens, these political posters only belong to the NDA. For some strange reason, the Mahagathbandhan posters were not there in the first place. That is why we can see that only NDA posters are being taken off.
That's interesting. In fact, you just read my mind, because I was going to ask you my next question as to are the posters only of the NDA or even that of the Mahagathbandhan, leaders from that alliance?
Well, these are of the NDA only, specifically at the airport. You can see in the visuals there, this is the parking of the Patna airport. For instance, when you get into the airport or get out of the airport, there are about 8 to 10 posters which have been placed. These are huge billboards where posters have been placed. So what the Election Commission feels is that in this place there should not be any political posters present. And that is what it has acted upon, and that was a complaint by the Mahagathbandhan. And strangely, these posters were only of the NDA. The Mahagathbandhan did not have posters there.
Okay, Ashar, thank you so much for joining us. Just a quick recap. These are visuals of posters of Prime Minister Narendra Modi that is being ripped off from Patna airport. As we can see, labourers there who have been deployed by the Election Commission to take off the posters all along the route to the airport and remove any sort of hoarding that has been put in the state.